This is the KINGSOM Fume Extractor. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is going to be my own opinion. I will walk you through this on this side and show me using it and unboxing it on that side. I'm filming outside and there's a little wind, but not so much, so keep that in mind. It arrived in some nice looking packaging, and inside the package you get the fume extractor itself. It's pretty lightweight at around 4.5 pounds, and it is 7 inches by 7 inches by 5 inches. So it arrived unassembled, but it was really easy to put together. Let me show you this. Just a couple of different parts here. On the bottom, we have 4 rubber feet. On the back, it's got a 90-degree plug on here, which I like. And the cable itself is about 5 foot long. Got a pretty stiff yet flexible hose on here. And this hose is about 20 inches long. Really simple to assemble. Flexible rubber hood on here. And it just kind of fits over these bumpy spots here. Really easy to put on. And we've got a flange on the bottom here. Let me show you the inside of it. We've got 2 clasps right here. This just pulls off. Foam around here. We have a pre-filter right here, and they've actually given us 4 extra pre-filters as well. And we have the 2-in-1 carbon and Hepa filter already in here and ready to go. It's got a couple of straps on here so you can pull it out, and it's encased in foam around it. So we set that back in here, put this on, clamp it back together. I don't have the equipment I would need to test all this, but according to the manufacturer, this machine can capture fumes within a range of about 7 to 8 inches, and particles smaller than 0.3 microns, with a flow rate of 180 cubic meters per hour and a purification efficiency of 99.7%. You can see when you get this, you just put this in here and snap it into place, you're good to go. It moves around. It's got a pretty stiff, tight fit to it as well. The machine has a brushless motor and 3 adjustable gears, low, medium, and high. When you turn it on here, each gear has its own color. But as I turn it on here, you can also tell what gear you're in by the sound of the motor, which they say runs at about 50 to 55 decibels, so not too loud at all. Green is low, orange is medium, and red is high. And when you want to shut it off, you just press the off button right here. So something like this would be great for soldering inside the home or in the garage or a shop if you've got one. Maybe for 3D printing, maybe for nail salons, something where you've got fumes coming up, maybe some welding scenarios, all kinds of stuff. Very nice, very lightweight, easy to use. I like it.